A letter of credit is a vital tool in international trade that guarantees a seller gets paid. Let's look at how it works. Think of a letter of credit as a bank's promise to pay a seller on behalf of a buyer, provided specific conditions are met. In the world of global commerce, trust is rare. Banks step in to bridge that gap, supporting the vast majority of international trade. The process is structured. The buyer secures the credit, the bank verifies it, and the seller only ships once that guarantee is in hand. When you are trading across borders, picking the right payment method can be the difference between a successful deal and a major financial headache. This chart shows relative risk levels for sellers. A letter of credit significantly lowers the risk compared to traditional open account shipping. Ultimately, it transforms an uncertain international deal into a secure, bank-backed financial obligation. Understanding these tools helps you see how global business stays moving. Subscribe for more money basics and hit that like button.